Idiomatic English.
All bark and no bite.
All bark and no bite.
Meaning, describing someone who talks or threatens aggressively, but doesn't take action or back up their words with deeds.
For example,
The aggressive dog made a lot of noise, but it turned out to be all bark and no bite.
another example.
Despite his intimidating demeanor, the school bully turned out to be all bark and no bite when confronted by a teacher.
Another example. The manager keeps warning us about the consequences of not meeting our targets. But it's clear he's all bark and no bite because he never takes any real disciplinary action. Another example.
The dog in our neighbor's yard may bark loudly, but it's all bark and no bite. He's actually very friendly and harmless. That's all what we have for today, but never forget. If you find this video helpful, to give me a big thumb up. Subscribe to my channel. Share the video to help others. Press the notifications bell and stay tuned to get everything new. Thanks for watching. Hopefully see you again in another academic mini lecture. Bye.